Good. Nice proud chest here. Good. Keep those shoulders down and back even as we stand up on this row. Good. We got 10 more. Good. Looking straight forward. Well, that's 5. Nice. 2 more. And good. Let's go right on into our chin up hold. I'm going to have you face me if you don't mind. Just go ahead. Hands facing you, palms facing you. Get the hands in, yeah, about 1 more inch if you don't mind. Perfect. 20-second hold once you get to the top. Hanging right there. Good. Steady breathing, trying to look straight forward. Keep that chin up. Good. Staying right there, Max. Let's go. You're halfway there. Stay up there, stay up there, stay up there. There we go. Good breathing. 5 more seconds. Get that chin back up. Stay with it. Almost there. And good. Come on down.